It was a good day. Peace.
Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye boy. Boy boy. Photo. Le anko parra eppudu odukudina?
உன் பேர் என்ன?
Le anko parra. Le kira. Idu onda kodukku.
So it's like we kind of made the advance booking, token advance. We did not give the payment yet. The thing is like I kind of screwed up and I forgot the credit card PIN number. I'm wearing my shoe right now, so and what happened was like I couldn't remember the PIN number at all, and my bank's Android app did not provide me the option to set my PIN number. This is actually a new credit card. Old one just got expired in August, so and I forgot to set the PIN, and we could not able to give the token advance immediately. What happened was like luckily my parents had their debit cards. They don't use credit cards at all, so they were able to make two different payments, and within that process I kind of worked my head and found out that Google Chrome in Android can provide you desktop site. So by that way I was able to fix a PIN and make the token advance that is required for my house. Actually I kind of paid it from my credit card. That's as a token house, token advance as a sentiment or something, whatever was my parents. It worked out. So we are done with this here. Kind of like the house, and we are done with this. I'm okay with the skating and everything. So now after this we are heading back to Trichy. So yeah, everything went out well. Peace out. Edmo. Ba. Hello. Good boy. Good boy. Hello.
ബിസ്ക്കറ്റ് കൂടല്ലേ ഒന്ന് നോപ്പം കണ്ടെടുത്തരാ
பேசுறதுக்கு ஆள் இல்ல. ஹெல்ப் வாட் யூ என்ன கிருஷ்ணா ராம்போ குட் பாய். தேங்க் யூ. பாய் ராம்போ. அப்புறம் வரணும். ஓகே பாய்.
வரப்போறாருங்க. இவனுக்கு இதெல்லாம் வேண்டியது போட்டோகிராஃபி தான் எடுப்பாங்க. இந்த ரெக்கார்டிங் அதெல்லாம் உண்டு. பாஸ்போர்ட் அதெல்லாம் அந்த வீட்ல ஒரு பிளெயின் பில்டிங் வாங்க பாக்கி எல்லாம் வந்து அவளுக்கு அந்த மாதிரி அவனுக்கு சிங்கிள் பெட்ரூம் கட்ட போறது.
So I just completed a rectangle here, like around this gated community. I was able to skate it completely happily and freely. I had some lunch. And it was heavy, but otherwise it's going to be very easy. Yeah, please. He is the gated community watchman. Sir, your good name, sir? Krishna. Nice meeting you. Thank you. So my parents and I are waiting here in the opposite house. Probably this is the one we are going to register or purchase. This one is ready already, and I'm going to stay in a rented house. And once my construction is done at the end of this plot, end of this corner of this street, I showed you, right, 670 square feet. The one opposite is 1,000 square feet. Once that is done, I probably might move from this place to that place. First I have to move from apartment to here temporarily for some time till the construction period, and after that I might have to move into my actual house. So we are having some brainstorming session about the design and where to put what and how to construct. So once that is done, I think pretty much everything will be settled. My father says like not until March 2021 the construction is going to begin, but whatever. Let's see, everything falls in place and be good for everyone. Peace out. Guys, I thought this cement floor is going to be very difficult for me to skate with my freelance skates. I might have to be, of course, aware of the cracks, but this floor is not as bad as I imagined, like it's way too easier for me to glide on. Freelance skates just glides absolutely fine, just like any other longboard or a carver. Dang, I could come around the street so easily. I'm so happy about that. I could skate even on this cement floor. Hey, peace. We'll get to the end of the street and cut the vlog. Cut the skating part of it. My parents are at the other end of the street. I have to go visit them. Have to go here, take a left again, or reach there. For now, this is Kicha signing off. Peace. I'm going to give one more shot of riding my freelance skates, and we'll see. Hope the floor is level. Obviously, construction is going on, so I think this floor is fine. I might have to be aware of the cracks, that's it. What do you think, guys? Skating inside an gated community, which I wouldn't have imagined in the apartment which I'm staying today. So I'm happy about it very much. Peace. So I am in the same place. I'll tell you which place because it's going to be a little secretive until we register this house that we are thinking of buying. Sir, vandutom naanga veedu anga canteen empty. Thank you. So that's we were sitting in a canteen, right? We were having some food over there, right? So we kind of gave some he gave the space for us and left the canteen open till we sat there. So we just told him we came out of it and you can lock it. So I'm going to test some skating and take a look around the houses here. So this is my freelance skates, LED wheels. I'm riding it here. It's going to be a little hard for now, but oh no, it got into some sort of what do you say, bigger gap, wider gap. I don't think I'll be able to do the freelance skates. Probably I'll give it a shot again. If it works, that'll be good. Otherwise, forgive me. I'm gonna fall. Yeah, it's easy here. I might have to look out for some bigger, wider cracks. Otherwise, it's going to be easy. There are houses here, so I'm good. But there are so many cracks. Need to be careful about that. It's just because of the uneven ground. They would have probably leveled it, but because of the rains, the mud inside this blocks that you see here might have, cracked open and become unlevel. So I was happy skating here. They also said like you have all the permission to skate, and yeah, the only thing they told us is like they're going to have this exterior space that you see here with red and white painted. It's called Kavi Vellapattai in Tamil, and this is called Thinnai. So this has to be there, and this is called traditional Agraharam. That's how the old houses would look like in any temple street. So they want to keep that traditional stuff, so I guess we're going to lock at most of it. We're going to register it with some amount, and we'll lock it after 3 o'clock. I came around to see, like, I somehow saw a house where there was no space like this. That's what I remembered, but looks like this thing is there in every house. So even to the house that I'm going to buy, I mean, the one is going to be constructed. So the thing is like, my house is like 670 feet or 600 feet, and if I'm going to give some space for this so-called Thinnai, it'll be like 3 feet here. I'll get some extra space inside my house, that was my idea, but it's an unnegotiable thing. They want to look every house same, so that's why they're going to keep it. So I'm going to lose like 3 feet. That's all right. I'll use this space to store some unwanted stuff, my cardboard boxes, empty cardboard boxes, courier boxes, dustbins, garbage bins. So I think I'll be okay. Peace. So seems like we have come to a cordial understanding, me and my parents. So whatever you see there, right there, that could be our house actually, where my mom and pop would be staying, and mine is just an empty plot as of now, and it's going to be reconstructed as per my wish. It's going to be a 1-bedroom house, around 600 to 670 feet, and living area after construction and all the wall space gone be around 4 to 450 feet for me to live. I've given a modular design, open, probably they will construct it that way. Okay, so we have come here and we're going to have a lunch right now. So everything is good. I'm going to skate for a bit after this, after my lunch, and yeah, and we'll get back to our home. We have to make some down payment. I mean, like registration fees and everything. Right now, they are waiting for some good time or something after 3 o'clock or something. So we'll do that and we'll get back home. Okay. Peace. So this is the plot here. We are looking here, which could be around 740 or 50 square feet. 670 square feet, and living area would be around 500 square feet. Terrace would be around 400 plus square feet. You know, like, so I've told them the designs and everything. So I should be comfortably doing some freelance skate practice in the terrace around 400 square feet or something. You know, it should be more convenient for me, and it's very close to the roads. That's the only thing. Otherwise, I should be happy here if the design goes as per my say. You know. So that one is 1000 square feet. My father is not okay with that, so we are going with this one. Okay, so we're going to now go see a pre-constructed house, and I'll tell you after that. Peace. So what you're looking here is a 1000 square feet flat, and it's almost close to the roads, main roads. That's where we came in to the apartment here, but this one is like customizable for 1 bedroom or 2 bedroom. I am looking for 1 bedroom house wherein I will stay, and my parents would buy a separate 2 bedroom house. That's what I'm thinking of, or that's what I was told with by my parents. In future, if I need me, I might have to expand. So I have a design in my mind for a single bedroom house wherein, like, in future, if need me, I could build another room, you know, like. So design is not a problem at all. It's the location and a little bit of that speaker you could see on the lamppost. You know, I'm not okay with that, but the management told, like, we can remove whichever speakers that you don't want, which is right in front of your house and everything. So shouldn't be a problem also, so that I can build a freelance skating practice place, you know, something like my parking lot right in my terrace, and I can go skating, you know. I inquired about that. They're absolutely fine for building one for us, so shouldn't be a problem. All good. I'm happy about this. Place is quiet. Hope the people are too. It's not completely filled. People are coming in. We are expecting to be completely full in 1 year. So yeah, that's the idea. Let's see. Nothing is confirmed yet, so I can't say anything right now. I'm still going to be sticking to my apartment, and for now, temporarily, I've halted my freelance skates practice. Peace. So what I like about this construction is, like, you have a direct access to Kaveri River. You have steps and you have direct access to the Kaveri River, and here comes the gated community. Individual houses, double bedroom, 3 bedroom, single bedroom, and can be customized as you wish. And they also give you preferences on what type of construction you want. You could choose your materials, could choose your things, how things have to look inside. You can put all security cameras that you need. It's all up to you, man. I'll let you know which place it is later, because it's more like it's periodical thing, like as long as I kind of find my peace, you know, like, I might have to look for some temporary solution where there are very less noise and good neighbors and everything, and most importantly, skating friendly environment. It has to be skating friendly environment, you know. That's one of the main reasons why I'm thinking of coming out of that apartment, is like I want a place where that is skating friendly. Okay, so that is my idea. That's why I'm looking for a place where everything is possible as I could do, you know, more personal stuff, skating and photography as of now. So I think this kind of gives me that vibe, possible good vibe. So let's see. I have not seen my place yet, but they're going to show it. Okay, peace.